Upstart electric car maker Rivian Automotive is moving the company's manufacturing engineering team in-house as part of an effort to ramp up production. According to a report from the Wall Street Journal, the automaker will likely make an announcement soon regarding the reorganization. The move will see a large portion of the engineering team remotely working on the company's manufacturing efforts relocate to Rivian's factory in Normal, Illinois, or its headquarters in Irvine, California. During the pandemic, the company hired all the engineering talent it could find across the US, despite their location. Now, the company is trying to unify the staff in a couple of locations. Rivian is currently overhauling production in Normal to improve assembly line speed and capacity, but it's unclear how many of the company's 14,000 workers will be asked to make the move. Still, many workers may not be willing to relocate. One source says a few dozen employees have already told the company that they won't move. Engineering talent is at a premium right now, but Rivian will reportedly offer severance to those who balk at their request and hire new talent in Illinois and California. I'm David Manti. This is IEN Now.